who this person is who's coming at you right now? Who knows who it is? Granny Pantalones. How's everybody doing out there in the world? I hope everybody's good. Anyways, do you recognize me? Do I look a little bit different? Oh, let me just come out of my car. Do you recognize that I'm not in my usual car? No snooze, honey. A miracle had happened today when I went to my P.O. box. This was waiting for me. This is my new car. This is my new vet. Let's put these glasses on. Oh, zoom in on my toes. Zoom in on the dosey toes. Hey, honey, how you doing? Remember Oliver Fungies? Does anybody remember who this is at Snickerdoodles? Anyways, so I got a brand new car. This was in front of my P.O. box today. You know what else was in front of my P.O. box? This. That's like I said before, I don't mind if all of my viewers, my fungies, if they send me things in my P.O. box that are half drank, aka half drunken drinks. I got a Starbucks. Look at this nice. I believe it's some reusable cup, and it has some coffee drink that it's still iced. I don't understand of how my viewers do it, of how my fungies. Hello, stripper ladies, fungies, footies, all of the fungies. How do you people do it? You send me these drinks and they still have ice in them from far, far away. I don't get it, but bless yourselves. I like this. This is a nice addition of a little it's an umbrella straw, or just some umbrella thing that was stuck in my coffee drink. Oh, Snickerdoodle, honey, come on out. Say hello to all of the fungies. So I upgraded, and I got a new car. Let me get it. I got new keys. You see that I got my nose shoes done? You see that? I'm getting up there in the world, but I'm slacking with my, those suckers again. You see those? Zoom in on the camera person. Hey, honey, how you doing? Good to see you. I don't hear anything. Never mind. Let's get this show on the road. So, somebody else. Oh, dosey-dose. No snows, honey. You're going to get yourself killed again. Quick. Another half-drunk water from Starbucks, but it's fine. She's going to get herself killed. You know me, honey. What am I wearing on my footies? Stripper shoes. Stripper shoes. Shout outs to the strippers. Don't talk about that too much. People might start questioning your sanity. Shit. Not too much now, and I'll do a little evil. See what this is going to help me cross. You're not the star, you're the host. This is Did you see the VIP parking sign? Getting too old for this. I'm gonna twist my ankle. This is, I'm assuming that that's for me. And just really quick over this way. I'm gonna get a little full. Woo! Over this way. You see my new license plate? In the last bow. Whoever did this for me, thank you very much. Bless your souls. I appreciate it. I'm no longer driving some hunk of junk. And what was in the front seat of this, my new vet? Somebody sent me a nice little bottle of wine. Of course, though, if you can zoom in, can you see with the sunlight? It was already opened. It was already open like usual, but I'm okay with it. Just maybe later on I'll pour myself a nice glass of wine and... Ooh, did you hear that? Oh, shut up. Ooh, that smells good. What is your problem? What is your problem, you big huge furball? Anyways, I promise you too, I'm not drunk. I did not sip any of this. That's your last goal. Shush. Of course, naturally I aim for my videos to not be 5 hours long. Get over here. Yeah, she'll be fine. What else? Let's just see what came in my P.O. box. Thank you so much for whoever donated that wonderful vehicle. Bless your souls. Bless all of you. Nice to see everybody. Get your ass back over this way, lady. Anyways, shush. I'm enjoying this coffee. Us. Just a little bit of an update. I just wanted everybody to know. Right now, I'm getting famous. 37 subscribers. How 37 of you, bless your souls. Thank you very much. What did you do? Did you hit that subscribe button below? Did you whack it? Did you say, oh, Granny Pantalones, I want more of you? Bless your souls. I hope that the person that's watching it right now is going to be the 38th subscriber. Maybe you're 39. Maybe you're going to be number 40, honey. We're going to be entering the 40s. And my most famous video, too, it's doing good. Not feeling so hot. Granny Pantalones, not feeling so hot. Check it out. We're heading towards 2,000 views. So, I'm still having issues because, and I don't want to sound like a brat, I've upgraded on the car, but I'm still having issues with the purse. Because I have a feeling that the more famous I get, the more donations that are going to come true in the P.O. box. And I need something a little bit bigger than this sucker to bring them home. Honey, you eating your grass? She likes it. Anyways, somebody sent me this. Tonight I'm going to have this. It's a cup of noodles. It's hot and spicy. So that's going to be my dinner. Do you want some of these snickerdoodles? Don't be coughing. I hope we're not getting sick again. And we're going to have to make the next video of Not Feeling So Hot #2. I want to be healthy. I want to give you know who the long overdue leptins. But I think I might be giving up on him. You know who, Mr. T? Forget about it. This came in, of course. Somebody already got to it, and that's fine. But it's some pumpkin and cream cheese muffin from Starbucks, and it's tasty. I had a little bit of a nibble, but let's take another nibble. You want a little piece, princess? Here. A little bit of a pumpkin and cream cheese muffin to go with your grass. Take me later, honey. Here you go. She likes her she likes the donations. That was very tasty. Wash it down with a little bit of coffee, and then the last item in the peel box. The rest of the peel box items today there wasn't a lot going on. It was a light peel box trip, but I can't complain because I got a new vehicle. Oh. Where did my keys go? Oh, they're right here. We'll talk about this a little bit more later on. But somebody's getting a little creative. I like the bag with the cactuses on it, but honey, I like to know who in the world donated to me in the same bag, in the same bag, a chocolate donut and tomatoes? That's a weird combo. Am I supposed to eat them at the same time? What do you think, camera person? Put a thumbs up if you want me, for my viewers, to do a food combo in this. Put it in front of the camera because I want the. Oh, she's putting a thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up too. If you like this video, is that what people say on Yodel-Layhoo, aka YouTube? Like my videos, yeah. Love them. So let's just pop the cherry. Let's just put the cherry tomato in your mouth. You're gonna get yourself cooked off at a Yodel-Layhoo. And take a bite of this donut. Oh, honey, how you doing? That was a little gross. No. Whoever sent this, bless your soul, but they don't go well together. You gotta eat them alone. And this is my vegetable for the day. So I'll finish it. Bless your soul. Thanks to my shout out to the subscribers. Shout outs to you, my supporters. Bless your soul. Bless all of you. I still have issues with chewing with my mouth open. I can't finish this donut right now. I think I need a little bit of a Starbuckies. Shout outs to Starbuckies. I love that coffee shop. You're number one in my book. And so is a Dunkin'. They're both tight. I like both of you. They're both good. Honey, might I have to bring you to the veterinarian or some animal doctor? I hope that my doses are right. Anyways, shout outs to everybody. Bless your souls. Honey Pantalones. I'm gonna cut the video nice and smooth. And stay tuned.